crazy. I just told your son. Go ahead. Now he's crying. If you want, you just knocked over your shoulder.
Hi, girl.
Did you hear me though? Start talking.
What?
I made him cry.
Oh, what's up?
Oh, you're sad. What did you do to him? I made him cry.
I gotta play. We'll play with
He's so sad. I'm like, what did you do to him?
Let's go, Charlie.
I told him he can't watch videos on the phone. He could go play like a kid.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Yeah, get him away from the videos.
I told you.
Get him playing ball.
Now give me that.
You want to kick down, you can stay right there. Kind of girl? Let's go, man.
Did you get a hit?
Yeah, she did. Want a ball? Want a ball?
Of course.
Over there. Do you have it?
Oh, I have in the car. Mary,
I have one in my car.
but they're using that one.
No, I think they brought their own. Check my car. I
Waiting for you
don't
to
know.
play.
Babe, that's high, yeah.
Where's your other ball at? Where's your other court ball?
There was.
I'm out. Is it in my glove? No, it's not. Oh, right here. She's playing with it. Can we have that ball over here? No, it's the court ball. Is that the court ball? You sure? Because I thought it was M-A-L. Yeah. Okay.
No, big ball.
What's your chunk ball?
Always big ball on the grass. They tried the small ball on the grass after the game, and people got hurt.
Works, but it was too low.
Because of the sand, you use that
It's
small
okay.
ones, yeah, and you don't range as much too in the sand.
I went up and then I went down.
Right. We tried it a couple of times. It worked. No. Prescott, Houston. Man, they were doing it up the beach. They were smart.
Even though we just seen you last night.
That a girl. There you go. That's the Alana I know.
I love you. Daddy's here. Yeah. It looks so beautiful. Let me see. Did she blossom? No, she didn't. Yeah. She said, go, Charlie.
That a girl.
Mommy's gotta hit. Go see them.
There you go, Charlie.
Oh, I gotta go hit.
Someone's gonna go
I
hit.
gotta go play. Sophia, stop.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna put you back.
Sophia. Grandpa! Sophia's crying.
Why? Yeah. I'm over here. Sounds like your job. Nice. Oh, it hung. That's right.
That's not what I was trying to do at all.
Line.
I was trying to go that way.
Yeah. Those sharp lines. Sharp pulls, sharp pushes. Let's go, baby girl. Good idea, good idea, good idea.
Oh, right here. Oh, sorry. Put it over there. Sorry.
Careful with that bat, baby.
How many guys teams is there?
You know, I don't even know the full total, but let me see here. 1, 2, 4.
Should I break dancing now?
Do it.
5.
On the camera.
I think they got 20. Oh, nice
Like,
cat. That's all right.
Yeah,
That does turn over breakdancing material right there.
Hey, are they playing deep? Is she playing deep?
She's playing deep, yeah.
Okay, enough on that one.
Yeah, she's playing deep on. Well, not as deep on you, but
Yes or no?
no.
Push is open.
The push is like wide open.
I never noticed that. Charlie bats.
Nice, there you go. That's open all day. That is open all day.
Oh my God, guys, we're playing with CL.
Yeah, this bat is
Hey, Charlie. Charlie. You gotta remember the camera's on, so when you walk off, you gotta do it cool, you know?
Oh, like,
Let's go, Mary.
he posted on YouTube too, so I'm YouTube famous.
That's okay, they don't know who I am.
You are not famous.
Yeah,
You're
let's
just
Turn
on
the camera on.
YouTube.
Hey, they're waiting for you to hit over there.
Shut up.
Pay attention.
You're hitting it. Good salad, Tom.
You over here talking with your mouth full.
Drop.
This guy's in town on for Funyuns right now. Hey, you don't have any more Funyuns.
I know.
Coming in hot.
Whoa.
Coming in hot.
That almost ricocheted and killed the salsa, and that was it.
I was right here to catch on.
Hey, why don't you put her in the sun? It's so cold in the sun.
She has her jacket on.
But still.
That's so freaking. She's good. Who does that?
That was all. Who invited you? Fuck, man. Friend, I really miss you. I really do. But I don't miss you.
Hey, you need to watch her.
Don?
Don was playing over here on this side. Okay, Don. There's some order over there.
On the side back there, okay, babe? On the side back there, okay?
Very
A
nice.
little bit.
Oh, don't tell her. Don't tell her.
Nice hitting.
Good job.
He's Maria's brother.
They have a box. Something around here. They were collecting trash. It was here.